My name is Matthew Stewart and I'm a third year civil engineering student at the University of Strathclyde. In this short video, I'll give you an idea of what a civil engineer actually does and how they use lots of different types of maths in their day-to-day jobs. So what does a civil engineer actually do then? Civil engineers are involved in creating the world around us. They design, build and maintain a wide variety of different types of structures that many people use in their day-to-day lives, such as roads, buildings, railways, bridges and tunnels. Some famous examples of civil engineering in Scotland you may know or have visited are the Queensbury Crossing, the Falkirk Wheel, the Kelpies or the Glenfinnan Viaduct, which is sometimes known as the Harry Potter Bridge. Probably the most famous example of civil engineering in Scotland is the Forth Rail Bridge near Edinburgh. This was finished all the way back in 1890 and although it was designed over 100 years ago, it was designed using many different types of maths to overcome problems such as the weight of the train over the bridge and the currents in the water underneath, ensuring that the bridge was safe to function. Many of these mathematical techniques are still in use today. Civil engineers use math skills every day in their jobs to make sure the structure which is being created is safe to use, built to a high standard and within a given budget. Civil engineers use a wide variety of different types of maths to carry out their jobs, from more basic maths doing things like budgeting and time management, to more complex maths such as structural analysis, which is basically making sure that a wall or ceiling, for example, is safe and will not collapse. Sometimes the maths can be very complicated, so computer programs can be used to do these calculations for you. The maths which civil engineers do is very important, as it makes sure that the world around us is safe to use, and we all have basic amenities such as clean water and electricity. The maths that you're learning at school are the basic building blocks of the maths that civil engineers use every day. I personally chose to do mostly maths-based classes at high school, such as maths, physics and engineering science, which now helps me with my classes at university. Civil engineering is a job which allows you to use your math skills in real-world situations whilst also being able to be creative. Nowadays, as climate change is becoming ever more relevant, it has become clearer that civil engineering designs should be as environmentally friendly as possible. And this can also be relevant to using your math skills, as you can work out something called embodied carbon, which shows how environmentally friendly a project is. I hope that this short video has at least given you some form of idea what a civil engineer actually does and how they use maths in their day-to-day jobs. Thanks.